Hey, everybody, and welcome to my weekly episode of Stealing from the Greats, where I take 3 minutes to break down the best subscription signups out there. And today we're looking at Harry's Razors. Now, Harry's is a fantastic example of what to do if you have a monthly subscription product. First of all, their homepage and their flow, as I typically don't look at flow, but their flow is really, really straightforward and slick. So first things first, again, you have a very clear offer right off the hop. Deserve a great shave for a fair price. So they're combining quality and value. Simple call to action, get started button. I like these animated videos because they catch the eye. They stop people from bouncing. Okay, so created Harry's to be a little different. So a little flavor and attitude on the copy. It's not your typical straightforward sales talk. So honestly priced, made with integrity, always giving back. So they're telling you about their brand props, and this page should be telling you about their brand and their mission. This is what they care about. And then, so once you get a little bit of the good feels, they tell you, hey, we make shaving stuff, creams, shower gels, razors, obviously. Their best-selling product feature, which I really, really like. Also, by the way, check out the massive sizing of these images and the quality. Big key. Now, in case, there's a featured product section here. In case you missed it, here is the bread and butter, most popular stuff we do. And then just a little bit of social proof. No big deal. GQ, Esquire, Men's Health, and talking about revolutionizing the shaving industry. And then at the very bottom, I love this part, note from Jeff and Andy. No big deal, not a big corporation, guys. We're just a couple of dudes who want to make a great shaving experience at a fair price. And then once you click Get Started, guess where it takes you? It takes you to the product page. And it tells you, hey, you get 5 German blades, flex hinge, lubrication strip, precision trimmer. All razors have this, all right? All razors have this, but because they went out of the way to explain it to you, they just listed 5 features to you. And they'd go, I don't really like the fact that they crammed this because I'm not really going to bother with flex, hinge. Okay, they just repeat themselves in this copy on the bottom, but increase control, so they go on to explain all parts of the product. But that's fantastic, right? It's a razor blade, nothing too crazy. And then you pick a plan. So now you know what the product is. Now you pick how much of this product you want, and then how often you want it. And then bada boom, bada bing, one-time upsell item. It's kind of a $6 surprise. I don't know. This interesting psychographic data there. But here we go. Oh, look at that. You're straight in checkout. And that is fantastic. They tell you that it's $13 Canadian, shipping is free, and then you switch to 26 later on every 3 months. Fantastic bit of copy. I didn't know, they didn't tell me I can cancel at any time, but I'm kind of looking at it and assuming that it is. So great branding, great product sales. Shipping policy and policy stuff is a little sketchy, or I shouldn't say sketchy, just unclear right off the hop. But overall, fantastic job, Harry's Razors.